Hello YouTube, I'll be making a video and see if my airsoft gun, which is just my pistol, with .12 gram BBs, will shoot through empty shotgun shell. Easter egg, it's Easter, so I just had that handy. The license plates, which I know it won't go through. And laminated paper. It's laminated, so I don't know if it'll go through it. And the CD. Okay, and a washing dryer. Washer, like, I don't know if that's plastic or glass. I think it's plastic. First, I'll do, let's do a laminated paper. And I'll be, I don't know, a couple feet back. And it didn't go through. That's surprising. Then, pointless license plate, which I hope it don't ricochet and hit me. Gotta set my plug down to cock it. I go off to the side. Of course not. It won't go through. Okay, shotgun shell. Okay, gotta cock it again. And I'm out. Okay. Sorry. And nothing. Nothing at all. And now the Easter egg from Easter. I split it in half and a piece went flying that way. And there you go. It probably would have gone through the other side, but it broke in half, so yeah. Next, the CD. I don't know how I'm going to set that up correctly, but I'll set it up over here, like that. Okay. And almost. So it looks like on the other side. Freaky, dude. But it did not go through. Almost. Don't think you can't really see that. Yeah, but there is a dent in that. Can kind of see it, not really. But there's a dent in that little place. Now, shoot the washing dryer. The washing machine. Don't really, I already know it won't go through. But, holy crap. Did more than I thought. Actually did more damage than I expected. And I would use a better gun, but my other better guns are jammed. I need to fix them really badly. But yeah, and I will be doing the same test with the sniper rifle I get, which pretty sure it'll go through this. Well, it will, because I already know it will. Pretty sure it'll go through this. No, it won't go through this. No, it will go. I knew it will go through this, because I've seen people shoot it with snipers like that. I've actually seen them shoot them with machine guns, and it actually did work. And it might go through this, because that's what that one did, which is, I think it's like only like 200 feet per second. And the one I want to get is almost 500 feet per second. So I think it will go through this. Thanks for watching, and see ya. And please comment. My other videos did not get comments. Thanks, bye.